got too much work to do? Feeling stressed? Like time is running way too fast. And it's hard to keep up. Breathe in and out and take a moment to relax. Imagine yourself at a place where time stands still, where the only sounds you can hear are the birds, the wind through the leaves, and the gentle voice of nature. We know that being a nail tech includes early mornings, late hours, skipping lunch, and working weekends. But remember that it is just as important to take that 5-minute head space. Move around, loosen up the muscles, and focus on your breathing. Try to be here and now and shut that everyday noise out for just a couple of minutes. The new fall Buttercream collection is inspired by tranquility and the calm and gentle colors of the season. And Shibui is a collection that embodies the power of subtle, on-trend neutrals. Just sit back and relax and let me guide you through this color meditation. What would a collection inspired by neutrals be without the perfect neutral mauve? Mantra mauve can be compared with any color or glitter to add that little extra calmness to your set. Find tranquility with this deep dark cream ink blue. Like looking tranquility right in the eyes and get lost in the world of peacefulness and serenity. One of my personal favorites in this collection is definitely this Downward Dog. The perfect on-trend burnt sienna orange. A cream that radiates fashion and elegance. Inhale, Exhale is another beautiful cream mauve in the berry tones with a blue undertone. Also another personal favorite. Of course, we need to add a beautiful rose gold metallic to this collection. Show Me Your Chakra is the perfect pop of contrast to the rest of the creams and is just as beautiful as matte. Now and Sen is another perfect muddy cream. A purple taupe that will help you get into your Zen mode. And there you have this stunning collection of trendy neutrals that will both excite and calm your clients. Available to salon customers everywhere August 31st at lightelegance.com and our distributors. Shibui is a Japanese word for naturalness, everydayness, modesty, and silence. Something we all could use a little bit more of in our lives. So remember, when things get overwhelming, walk away and claim those 5 to 10 minutes of headspace. Clear your mind and imagine a light that washes over you and that cleanses out all the negative thoughts and feelings from your body. Take a couple of long, deep breaths, and you will hopefully feel a little bit more centered and relaxed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to follow my channel and also Light Elegance channel for more fun nail content. Peace and send out.